How to fix WhatsApp update problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp update problem on Android phone. First, just open settings and then go to apps and then apps again, and here type WhatsApp and now click storage and then click clear cache, and now go to permissions, enable all of those permissions here, like this one here, SMS. Just click on it and click allow, and that's it. And after that, go to Play Store and then try this one here, click update. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings and then apps and apps again, and here we'll find Play Store, Google Play Store. This one, click on it and then just click force stop and go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.